y'all, welcome to Miss Khan's math class. Today we are going to show how to convert fraction to decimals. So I actually took three examples that I'm going to show you step by step how we divide numerator by the denominator to find to convert the fraction to decimals. So let's start with 4 over 5. So 5 is our denominator and 4 is the numerator. So our denominator will always be the outside number, and 4, the numerator, will be the inside number. Now, we cannot divide 4 by 5 because 4 is smaller than 5. So we have to put decimal point here and add 0, and we have to pretend that this is actually 40. So now, when we put the decimal point over here, make sure you put the decimal point right on top, straight top of that decimal point. So this decimal point should be on the top of the roof. Now 5 times 8 is 40, and our answer is 0.8. Now 6 over 8. So 8 is our denominator and 6 is our numerator. 6 should be the inside number. As usual, 6 cannot be divided by 8. So we put decimal point here and add 0, and we'll make it 60 and put the decimal point on the roof. So 8 times 7 is 56. And remainder is 4. Add 0 here. 8 times 5 is 40. And our answer is 0.75. Let's try 9 over 12. 12 is our denominator, and our inside number is 9. So we cannot divide 9 by 12. We are going to put decimal point here and add 0, and make sure that you put the decimal point on the top. So 12 times 7 is 84, and remainder is 6. We add 0 here. 8 times 5 is 60. And our answer is 0.75 for 9 over 12.